Traffic update.
Have you noticed? Getting hot out, so don't let termites take over while you're on vacation. Hi, Joe Starkey here. My friends at Pacific Coast Termite have treated over 50,000 homes, including mine, and commercial businesses, and they can help you too. Their service professionals are uniformed, clean, and polite, and provide a 2-year guarantee on all their termite work. If you call now, you get a free inspection, plus 10% off any termite treatment you may need. Call 1-800-PACIFIC. That's 1-800-722-4342. Pacific Coast Termite uses orange oil plus, so you and your pets can stay in your home. No fumigation to force you to bag your food. No need to move out. Pacific Coast Termite is a trusted company, and they've been with KCBS for many years, and they're A-plus rated by the Better Business Bureau. So if you call now, you get 10% off termite treatments. And have you noticed rodents? Oh, yikes. We did, and Pacific Coast Termite took care of that problem, too. Call them like I did. 1-800-PACIFIC. That's 800-722-4342 or PacificCoastTermite.com.
Hi, I'm Kim Vestal, and I'm here with local businessman, founder of California Deluxe Windows, the premier company for custom fit windows and doors. Today we're talking windows, inflation, and potato chips.
Thank you for having me.
California Deluxe Windows makes their custom fit windows and doors right here in California, which is a pretty unique offering for your business.
It is true.
Now, with inflation driving up prices for everything, I imagine local production means you can offer competitive on your windows. Can you talk a little about how California Deluxe Windows keeps their prices from being affected by inflation?
A lot of companies get their windows shipped from all over the globe. That means inflated wait times and inflated prices. At California Deluxe Windows, we design, manufacture, and install our own products, so you get fantastic windows at an affordable price.
You also invented some unique window features, right?
Correct. Our pivoting windows are easy to clean, especially on the top floor.
Wow, triple threat. Affordable custom fit windows, unique features like the pivoting window, and my personal favorite, expert installation.
Exactly. Our installation technique is so precise. We do not break your stucco. Your house can be covered with potato chips, and we wouldn't crack one.
If you're looking for beautiful custom fit windows and doors made right here in California, call California Deluxe Windows today. They've deflated their prices too. Right now, you can get 30% off your entire order.
It's California Deluxe Windows, baby.
30% off your custom fit windows and doors during the California Deluxe Windows deflation sale. Call California Deluxe Windows today at 800-956-8800. That's 800-956-8800. 800-956-8800.
Certain terms and conditions apply. CSLB number 774518.
KCBS News Time 8:38. We are on the traffic launch once again with Kim One. You get to work this morning from your local Honda dealer's traffic center. We do between McCarthy and Zanker, where we have a crash blocking the middle lane, and the Chilton Auto Body collision cam sees traffic backed up onto southbound 880, trying to make that ramp that takes you onto westbound 237. Also, crash just now clearing in Berkeley. This was westbound 80 at Gilman, where it was slow anyway, so this is just now clearing to the right shoulder. The fire department was in a lane of traffic before. Traffic is very slow out of El Cerrito. The lineup to the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge is, if you could call this easing. It's still slow from Marina Bay Parkway, but no longer from Regatta. So yeah, it was worse earlier, but very slow out to the toll plaza in the wake of a much earlier stall. And we're getting word